Hi, broccoli is a versatile food and a powerhouse of nutrients. It can be used in multiple ways as a salad or pizza topping or soup or omelette to name a few. Regular consumption of broccoli can help you stay healthy in multiple ways. Now, here are the 7 health benefits of broccoli. It helps prevent cancer. Now, broccoli contains sizable amount of sulforaphane, a particular potent compound that boosts the body's protective enzymes and can help get rid of cancer-causing chemicals. Second, it helps in detoxifying the body. Broccoli contains several compounds which remove unwanted substances from the body. Third, it improves organ health. Being an excellent source of magnesium, potassium, calcium, and vitamin K, broccoli helps to maintain the bone mineral density, fights osteoporosis, keeps the blood vessels strong, and regulates the cholesterol levels, improves overall digestive health, it betters the memory and cognitive abilities, and much more. Fourth, it fights allergies. According to research, if one consumes broccoli for about 3 days, the production of antioxidant generating proteins in the body goes up by a whopping 200%, thus helping in fighting allergies. Fifth, beneficial for pregnant women. Broccoli is not only said to ensure a healthy pregnancy, but it also helps prevent osteoporosis in pregnant women, eliminates neurological defects in the baby, and helps prevent gestational diabetes. Sixth, amazing skin and hair health. Substances in broccoli not only aid in skin repair but also better your complexion. It also helps to reduce skin wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and do away with aging signs. Seventh, weight loss. What's more, the low-calorie broccoli helps with weight loss too and is the perfect addition to one's weight loss diet. Because the fiber in broccoli keeps you satiated for longer and keeps you away from binge eating. Is broccoli a part of your diet? If not, we'll highly recommend adding this superfood as a part of your regular diet and see the benefits.